Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the AC and remote support Wi-Fi and that your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz network. This matters because most Lloyd devices don't work on 5 GHz. Once done, open the Lloyd app and create or sign into your account, then put the remote into pairing mode, press, and hold the Wi-Fi or pairing button until the indicator flashes. Now the app can discover the remote. Make sure the router signal is stable before proceeding to the next screen. Once the remote is flashing, choose Add Device in the app and select the correct Lloyd AC model or the generic split system option if unsure. This tells the cloud how to translate commands. Then enter your 4 GHz SSID and password exactly. The app sends those credentials to the remote, so watch the LED. Steady or slow blink means connecting. If it times out, try again. Small differences in SSID case or a wrong char in the password cause failures, so type carefully. After the app confirms connection, name the unit and run quick tests. Turn the AC on/off, change temperature, and switch modes to confirm commands flow through the cloud. If firmware updates appear, allow them. They improve reliability. Finally, enable remote control and assign rooms if needed. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to reboot the router and remote. Ensure you're on 4 GHz and that AP isolation is disabled. Then repeat pairing, which resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.